Good evening, everyone. Okay. So I'm trying to join the stuff with my laptop, but it's not working. The network is not loading. I'm only able to join on my phone, and I have to present. I have to show my screen. This is a practical class. So I'm waiting on my network to work. I hope you can hear me. Okay. So trying to. Please, I'm sorry. I need to use my system to present the class and show you the stuff. Oh, it's not loading. I can't join the class on my laptop and share my screen. I've been trying different browsers, trying going off and on my hotspots, but it's not working. Let's go. Just give me a few minutes. Yeah, good afternoon. Good evening, everyone. So I've been able to join with my system. I'm going to share my screen now. Can anyone hear me? Okay, that's good. So I'm going to, okay. Yeah. So I'm very sure, I'm hoping that everyone has downloaded the Figma on their what's it called? I mean, you have a Figma account now. If you have your own Figma account set up, you can just signify in the chat box, so I will know that we cannot follow up on what I am doing. Okay, great. One person, and we have 9 person. We have 8 participants on this chat. Only 2 people have been able to set up theirs. Remaining 6 people. Okay, we have 9 participants. Probably I'm one of the 9 participants. We have three. Remaining 6 participants. I haven't been able, Mr. Adibula Idris. What's the issue? What problem are you having? I have 4 people that have answered the question. Listening hasn't said anything. Have you been able to download your um favor Okono? Whatever she has not been able to set up a Figma. Why? And this person to creating a student account of Figma and scrolling for another person. See, my laptop is not downloading it. You don't have to download it if you can. Who is 813009? I don't know this person. I think okay. Not that image. Okay, she's has downloaded us. So where is having a problem? This one says she's having a problem with student account of Figma. The school info. You can input any school information and use the website of the school. Figma will not start chasing you and looking for the school or the school you attended, whether you're a student there or not. That does not really matter. So how will anyone that have not downloaded Figma follow up on the class now? Well, how many people have, let me check, how many people have downloaded? One, two, three, just three people out of the nine participants. Okay. I'm hoping that the other ones will download theirs too. And okay, let's just go into what we have to do today. So I'm sure when you downloaded your Figma, this was the screen you were seeing, right? For those that have downloaded, this was the screen you were seeing, right? I'm expecting an answer so that we know you are following me. Yes. So when you say this, so this particular screen is where you have access to your, probably you've done some designs in the past. So you will see that this is showing some of the designs or probably a file from the past years. So you can see all of this. And from this screen, you can create a design file. This is the button to create a design file. You can create a fig jam board from here. So for people that create teams, you can choose the team you want to create here. And you could have access to the created team here. You can create new team here. So you can also access Figma community from here. So when I click on this, it takes you to Figma community. Yes, this is the Figma community. From this Figma community, you would have access to a lot of resources. That could be probably you're looking for a plugin, you're looking for a, what was it called? Yes, probably you're looking for a plugin, you're looking for a style guide, a lot of it. You're looking for inspirations. For example, I need a style guide. You you press style guide. So you could see some UI kits displayed. So you can get anything from Figma community. If you need an icon set, probably you want to use a ready-made icon components, you can get it from the Figma community also. So the Figma community helps you with plugins, UI kits, and a lot of templates to use. You get a lot of templates from there. You could see, are you seeing this? You see, you're not necessarily copying what's here, but it will serve as inspirations for you. I seeing this, right? Yeah. You too. You can also publish something on Figma community. Yeah. So that's about that. So let's say I want to create a design file. Are you following me? You click on this button here. You create a design file. Yes. So these are Figma canvas. These are for canvas. Has anyone tried what I just did? If you've tried it, let me know. If you've tried it, let me know. I'm hoping that you are on your PC. Good. And you're able to get it. Yes. Good. So this is our Figma canvas. From here you see layers, you see assets, you see page. This is the move tool. This is where you can create a frame. You can get your shapes from here. This is the pen tool. This is where you do your texts, get resources, and tool. You can use this for comments. And this particular place shows your design stuff. And this is the prototype. Yeah. So for the layers, for example, this move tool is like this arrow going here and there. It's going like this. So you want to create a frame. This is a frame. This is section. This is slice. So I don't know. So this frame, if you click on that, just do something like this. So we've created a frame. So the layers will be showing the frames and the stuff under the layers. You can also create pages too. You click on this place, create many pages, as many as you want. So yeah, that's just I'll just show you how to create a frame. So for the shapes, you have rectangle, you have line, you have arrow, you have ellipse, circle, you have polygon, you have stars, and you can also use this to import the place image of video to import images to Figma. So let's start from the rectangle. So I want to create a rectangle now. I'll do something like this. This is a rectangle. This I've created a rectangle. So you can set the width, you can set the height. This is the properties panel. So this thing up here is meant for alignment. Let's say I want to align this thing in the middle. Use this to align in the middle. So this thing is going to balance here. So let's say you want to let it go to the left. You see this thing moves. You want it to go to the right, click on this. You want it to go up. You want it to stay in the vertical center. Yeah. You want it to go down, click on this. Yeah. So I can use this to set my weight to something like 200, and this height is something like 12 or 20, so something like 50, depending on how you want it. This is a rectangle. You want to create a line. So just when you want to create a line, you do this and you hold on shift so that your what's it called? Your line does not start giving you decimal points. Yeah. You are creating a line and I'm doing like this, something like I want to create a line. And I'm saying you can see now it's giving me 190, 280 points, 290. Probably my hand is not straight. You get. But if you want to do it to make it just stay, just do it. Then you press on shifts, hold on shifts, then you stop. Then to give you the right numbers. It will be giving you 282.7, 282.3 or 9. So have anyone tried doing a rectangle? Has anyone tried creating a line? If you've been able to do this and you understand what I am doing, let me know. If you don't understand, let me know. So I will go back to explain it. No one is saying anything, or you can't hear me again. Can you hear me? It. Being able to create the rectangle was good. What about the line? Are you able to do it? Yeah, I'm not getting a response. Someone says she's on it. Someone has been able to create rectangles. The other ones are not saying anything. Some of them, some of so this have not downloaded the Figma account. That was why I wanted you to download it before this class today. Mm. I'm waiting for people creating their own. So while we are on that, let's just move to another thing. So let's say I want to give my rectangle a color. This is use this field to create a color. Good. So I want to put a color here. This is our field. You click on this. You can do your color here. You can use the color picker too. This is the color picker. So the color picker is meant for picking colors. Okay, let me do an example. Let me do a rectangle here. Let me do a rectangle. This is another rectangle. So I want to add colors to this. So I can just do something like this. So I now want to add the color to this place using the color picker. So I click on the color picker here. I click on this. You see, it's giving me the same color as this using the color picker. That's how to do it. Simple. You can change the colors if you want. Click on this, click on this, click on this. As many color are plenty. You know. So this is RGB. So using the colors, we have the ones, the Xcode, the RGB, the CSS, the HSL, the HSP. Yeah. So the RGB will be giving you something like this. The Xcode is like this. It's going to give you the code to the colors. So the CSS will be like this. The HSL, yeah. So you can also lower the opacity from here. You can also lower the opacity from here. So yeah, that's it. I could remember when I started learning Figma. I actually didn't take any introductory course. I was just doing it. You know, I could just watch a random video on how to just touch this, and I was just using it like that. I didn't even so we added colors to our rectangles on this. So let's say I want to add stroke. Now my system is hanging. Wow. You click on this plus sign. So we've added our stroke. Let's say you want to change the color of the stroke. Something like hmm, okay. Resistance. So you could add Oh, you can't hear me, bro. Hello, can you hear me? Oh, it's my system. My laptop is hanging, so that was the reason we had that kind of break. Sorry. I'm sorry. It's MTN that is causing all of this. I don't know why they are always against me and I have to do something important. Also, my system was hanging. I don't know why. Oh, okay, while we are waiting for the system to act now, has anyone been able to do all of the things I did? Can you add colors, use color pickers, do strokes? We have a few minutes. You have to be fast. My system is acting unknown. That's great. Oh, the stroke. So you would say where you are, where you can be able to add your colors. Down it, you say stroke. You say stroke. Click on that stroke. You see a plus sign there. You click on it. Then you add anything you want to add. So the stroke is meant for your what's it called? For a shape to stand out. Okay, great. Oh, okay. Someone said she didn't get the stroke part. So the stroke is meant for your what's it called? The shape to stand out. Let's say you add a rectangle on a frame. The frame is a white frame, and you added also um, another white, what's it called? Another white rectangle. So you want the rectangle to stand out from the background of the frame. You want it to stand out from the background of the frame. What you do is add a stroke for it to work. I'm trying to get my system to stop hanging. I'm coming. Okay, you've been able to do it. Good. The other person says she's following. She'll practice when she gets home. So when you get home and you're having any problem, you can let me know on Slack. I'll provide answers. So, God, Nigeria is happening to me at the moment. My system is misbehaving. My network is also misbehaving. And I didn't go out today. Not to talk of probably I offended someone on the road. I was at home. Maybe that now offend. Everything is just very sorry. If you have any questions, you can use this opportunity to ask while I'm trying to set up my system. Yeah, any questions? No questions. Okay. Oh, if I'm not seeing my screen, it's my system. Oh, I'll soon be back. You will soon be able to see my screen. It's my this thing. I'm sorry. I cannot even join this thing back on my. Okay. So, so my system refuses to load. Okay. It's still acting abnormal. Um, what do we do? Because at this point, I'm confused. And we have to finish anything I have to say today. My system keeps hanging. And I'm even trying to show my screen on the system. The stuff is just loading for forever. It's not a network, oh. It's from my end. I don't know what is happening. I can't present my screen again from my laptop. I can't share anything. I can't even join the call from my sister. I don't know why is bad. And I would love to finish this thing, at least do whatever I can do on it. But this stuff is not working. Ah, man, this is serious. So the thing is, I have to. Uh, I'm suggesting we end the class, but we won't have done anything significant. It's mine. I'm not able to even do anything at the moment. My system is not. I'm not even able to present in the system. Please, is it possible that we are able to fix the class by 8 p.m. if anyone will be available? Can I just finish what we started? If I am able to get a few yes, then I will I will try and correct all of this before 8 p.m. and we can finish what we started. So so the other ones too. I would love a response from everyone so that I know that everyone will be available by 8 p.m. Yes, 8 p.m. I'll try and solve the problem. Okay, everyone is saying it's fine. So by 8 p.m. we can all join the class again and we can finish whatever we started. So thank you.